Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'm going to show you how I created knotless box braid on a client with 4C hair. Now I have to tell you, our hair is full. The density is on a whole other level. So this is going to be a fun one. If you ever wonder how to braid thick natural hair or how to achieve a beautiful smooth finish with knotless braid, you are in the right place. Stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Before we dive into the braiding, let me tell you a little bit about my client. She came to me with thick, voluminous hair and she requested knotless braid but didn't want to stretch her natural curls. A lot of times clients will ask for their hair to be straightened first, but she prefers not to stretch her curls, so I'm braiding her hair as it is, natural, thick and full of texture. Now I've already prepped the hair extension off camera, so if you want a detailed breakdown of how I prep the hair, let me know in the comments and I can make a separate video for that. For today, let's focus on the braiding technique. So I started by massaging her scalp with a bit of oil to loosen any tension and make her feel relaxed, as you saw earlier. So massaging the scalp is so important for healthy hair growth. It increases blood circulation and helps with product absorption. Plus, it just feels good. After massaging, I section her hair carefully. I use a comb with a fine tail to create clean, even parts, making sure the sections are as neat as possible. I also apply a small amount of braiding gel to keep the hair smooth and prevent frizz. If you're braiding someone's with really thick hair like this, it's important to be patient and take your time. Thick hair can sometimes be a little more challenging to work with, but I find that using gel or cream-based products helps control frizz and keep everything neat. Once I had the sections ready, I started the actual knotless braiding technique. Knotless braids are amazing because they are more comfortable for your clients and they don't put as much tension on the scalp, and they also look natural. To achieve the knotless look, I start by feeding in some small amount of hair into each braid as I go. The key is to start with small piece of hair and work your way up, which helps the braid stay flat and smooth. I always make sure to keep my grip loose to avoid tension on the scalp. With thick hair like this, it's especially important to avoid making the braids too tight, as that can lead to breakage and discomfort. You can see I'm working a small methodical section to ensure every part of the braid is as neat as possible. If you've never done knotless braids before, don't worry. It can take a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, you will love how easy it is. I always encourage my clients to trust the process, as knotless braids tends to look much better as they settle. So as I continue braiding, I just want to take a moment to remind you to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated on all my latest tutorials. I'm always posting a new content to help you with your hair care journey. Yeah. Na, 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 na.
Daisy.
Yeah. Na, 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 na.
Daisy.
If you look closely, you will see how I divided this section into 3 parts. It's just a section, but I divided it into 3 parts before braiding it. So you can see me looping each other, like crossing it each other. I braided it down for about like 3 times. Then I started feeding in the braids gradually. Yeah. Na, 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 Now, as I finish the back section of the head, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the front. For the front section, I like to make sure I create smaller parts because this area tends to show more and needs to look a bit more polished. I use the same technique, sectioning, applying gel to smooth the hair, and then braiding in some small pieces of hair for a seamless look. As I move into the front, I want to mention something about the importance of parting. When I part the hair, I make sure I'm using a clean, precise line. This is crucial for achieving that clean, professional look. If the parts are messy or uneven, it will show once the braids are done, and that can throw off the whole style. So take your time here and make sure the lines are crisp. Yeah. Na, 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 Once all the braids are done, it's time to move on to the styling. I'm going to roll her hair with trailers to create curls. This is the step that can really elevate the looks of the braids. I did this off camera, so this will give the hair an extra flair. So I rolled her hair and put them in hot water just for it to set. And this part can feel a little bit risky, but trust me, it's totally safe as long as you're very careful. You want the hot water to you want the water to be hot but not scalding. The heat from the water helps to set the curls and lock them in place, giving the hair that beautiful bouncing look. After the hot water dip, I wrapped her hair with hot towel to help ease any tension and provide some relief for the scalp. So I leave that about 2 to 3 seconds so that depending on the client's comfort level anyways, you can leave it for more than that. Let me share a little tip with you. If you're ever working on a client's hair for a long period, it's a good idea to take breaks, especially when you're using a lot of heat. This helps prevent any scalp irritation and give your clients a moment to relax. Your clients will appreciate this and it will make the whole experience more enjoyable. So once I remove the hot towel, I apply my homemade rosemary and ginger oil to her scalp and braids. I've been using this oil for years and it works wonders for hair growth, shine, and overall health. Rosemary oil stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, while ginger has an anti-inflammatory properties that can help with the scalp irritation. It also smells amazing, so it's a treat for both the hair and senses. So after the oil, I carefully remove the rollers, let the coil drops, and the coils are so soft and bouncy. They really make the knotless braid pops. So I love how it has that final touch of texture and volume. The last step is applying my mousse to set everything in place. Mousse helps add volume and hold, so it's a must it is a must have for any braiding style, especially if you want the braids to last a bit longer. Once the mousse is applied, I finish everything off with a light spray sheen to give her hair that gorgeous glossy finish. And that's it, guys. This final result is stunning. If you can see how the colors blend seamlessly into the braids, creating a smooth, beautiful and natural look. I'm so happy with how this turns out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I love hearing from you. Also, if you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.